Hey guys, and welcome to another video on how-to guides. And today we're going to take this door wing mirror off a Citroen Berlingo, and these years are from 2008 to 2018, and this probably applies to the Peugeot partner as well. So the first thing we can see from the inside is this plastic trim that covers just inside of the mirror. So we're just going to pull that off. Do that by hand. And that exposes these plugs, and it looks like we've got one 8mm, two 8mm and three 8mm. It's a little bit annoying it's behind the door card. I don't know why they've designed this door. They could have designed the door card and the trim so it sits over the top, so you didn't have to remove part of the door card to get the mirror off, but there we go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to undo this screw here, which looks like a T20. I'm going to undo that. We're just going to pull this side of the door card out, and then hopefully that will give us enough movement to get these bolts out. Probably you're going to use an 8mm ratchet spanner on these just because of the clearance after we undo these plugs. So we're just going to pull these plugs out just so it's easy to get the access. Pop that out there. Just going to do the same with this bottom one. Just pull him out. See the plug there. I'm just going to press that in. So with those removed, we're just going to get this T20 out, and hopefully we can pull this away and then get to these 8mm. Thankfully, with this T20 out, there's enough flex behind this door card just to pull that out slightly without damaging it. It won't do anything. That we can just get the 8mm ratchet spanner in there, helps to put it the right way, and that gives us enough access to get these bolts out. I take back what I said earlier. It actually isn't that bad of an idea, knowing that you can actually just move this bit of plastic quite easy. On some cars you'll pull that and it'll just split. So luckily we could actually put that back, and we've undone the bolts. We're on our last one, and then that way we're just going to wiggle this mirror, and that's it. Here we are. The door wing mirror all off, and that's how you remove the door wing mirror. And if you do want to know how to remove anything else off a Citroen Berlingo, please keep an eye on these videos because there'll be more on the way. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a like, subscribe and a comment if you can, and we'll see you on the next one.